Hi, my name is Perry. I'm recording this video for one of my client, DS Hair Chair, and the client want to make changes in gallery section. This is gallery section or gallery page on the website, and it's got lots of sections like hairstyle, cuts and blow dry, color, be organic, treatment, keratin. What we want to do in this video is we want to add some photos in this gallery, and for that what we need to do, we have to log in to WordPress. For that we have to type website name, then VP admin -admin. We can go there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this video. After login I will come back again. Thank you. Now I'm logged in. This website is developed in WordPress. Now I go to the page and I have to look for the page that where I want to make it. That's called gallery page. In a gallery page I'm going to say edit with Elementor. When I click on here, and I will see a page like this, and I will scroll down. This is the gallery I'm talking about, and this is under hairstyle and makeup. What I want to do is in this gallery section I'm going to click in this pencil, edit image carousel, and left hand side I will see 28 images already selected. I will click anywhere here and click on add to gallery. I will find any photo or image that I want to add in it. For example, I want to add this one, the first one, women long hair people. Or this is different, then it's easy to find. This lady with the balloon. Click add to gallery, and then I can insert. Click insert gallery, then I publish. Before publish, I will show you how the page will looks like. The this page doesn't have like that image with girl with the balloon. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this one with another one. I'm gonna bring that when I publish, I'll say update to get it affected, and then I will load this page. I can see this page has that photo now. If I keep on clicking in it, and I will find somewhere like after 28 images. It's showing 3 images at a time. I can see this lady is there, this photo is there. What actually happened when I tried to click on add, I go there and I will click here. As I said, that one, I clicked that photo, the fourth photo was there. To remove those, I will click on this minus sign, and insert and say update. It will go away now. Make sure you click the update button at the bottom before closing it. And now this photo has been removed from this gallery. You can't see these photos. I can go reverse order, it's better. There's no photos. And that's how you can make changes. You can add some more photos or images to this gallery. Thank you. Make sure before you close this window, log out so that no one can make changes accidentally in your website. That's how you make changes in a website. I'm using laptop. You can use a computer, and you can use a phone. I will create that video later on if I can. Thank you.